Now take this trim piece off right here. Just get underneath here with a pick or a trim tool. Just pop it up. Just pops up like that. And you can disconnect the connector right here. You can use a pick or just try to push it down on the connector and just slide it right off. Now take the switch out of the bezel. You can use a pick, just get beside here and beside here and slide it right out. Take your new switch, slide it in the bezel and just lock it in place. Now plug the connector in and line it up. Lock it in place.